the ruling class, Bloodlines, and the 21 seats. Introduction. This is the third of 19 videos that will tell the story of the ruling class Bloodlines, the 21 seats, and the two possible timelines that lie ahead of us. One of these timelines will erase the other, based on the decisions that humanity makes over the next 2 generations. Part 3. Which off-world civilizations contributed genetic material to the 21 seats, and how did Marduk position himself as the ultimate arbiter of these mixed lines? The 21 seats under Marduk were not purely Anunnaki in genetic composition. They were deliberately infused with selected traits from multiple off-world civilizations to create a composite ruler class optimized for both terrestrial survival and command over human populations. Off-world contributions and their purpose. 1. Core Anunnaki line, Nibiru origin, provided the baseline for longevity, stature, and enhanced cognitive capacity. Marduk's own blood carried the prestige and authority of the royal Enki line, which he reinforced through repeated unions with key seat holders. 2. Lyran contribution, infused for leadership charisma, natural magnetism, and ability to command loyalty without overt force. Lyran genetic strands amplified the presence of the ruler, making them seem destined or divinely sanctioned. 3. Syrian, Sirius A, infusion, introduced high-order strategic thinking and adaptability in complex political environments. Syrians also contributed resonance with water and agricultural abundance, linking rulers to fertility and prosperity myths. 4. Pleiadian Tagetan strains added heightened emotional intelligence and the capacity to inspire through vision and culture. Pleiadian traits often emerged in rulers who became patrons of the arts, philosophy, and diplomacy. 5. Orion, positive faction, influence, integrated for resilience, strong survival instincts, and the capacity to endure in hostile conditions. Used particularly in lineages intended to govern frontier or contested territories. 6. Orion, control faction. Encoding brought in deliberate hierarchical thinking, mastery of fear-based control systems, and ritualized authority. This was a tool for ensuring obedience in times of instability. 7. Arcturian genetic calibration added higher mental patterning, advanced problem-solving, and an innate understanding of energetic grid systems. These traits made certain rulers naturally aware of ley lines, stargates, and geomantic power points. 8. Vega Lyran, healer strains, infused into specific seats tasked with maintaining population health and morale, ensuring long-term stability. 9. Hybridized Earth-human integration ensured that each ruler could physically survive and reproduce in Earth's environment, also allowed them to appear human enough to be accepted by the populations they ruled. Marduk's role as arbiter. Marduk positioned himself as the sole authority who could sanction unions between the seats. By controlling breeding rights, he ensured that no single seat holder could amass enough independent power to challenge him without carrying his own genetic imprint somewhere in their line. He also maintained fail-safes in the form of ritual oaths, energetic bindings, and in some cases, subtle genetic triggers that could be activated to weaken or remove a disloyal line. The result. Over generations, these 21 seats became both a physical and energetic hierarchy, a pyramidal structure with Marduk at the apex. The rulers carried within them the blended heritage of several powerful off-world civilizations, but always tuned to serve Marduk's long-term consolidation of influence on Earth. End of Part 3.